All right, so I understand that you want to create reoccurring tasks in a Google Chat space. So I have been experimenting with this for the past couple of days, I would say, and it's just something that Google hasn't added to as a functionality to Google Chat yet. I have been looking at the workarounds, and I have found one workaround that is very, very productive. So, well, that will help productivity. So, let's try that out first. So, to do that, select your Google Launcher and Google Chat, then select Calendar. Once you select Calendar, you'll be redirected to the Google Calendar. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is click on your calendar, hover over your calendar, and then select the three dots. Then select Settings and Sharing. Then when you do that, select Add a Calendar in the top left of the calendar list. So then you'll select Create a New Calendar, and then since this is for your kids' chores, I'll just name this Demo Kids Chores. And then you can add a description if you'd like, or you can just leave it blank. And then it'll say calendar creation in progress. So what you can do next is hit the back button and then just refresh it because it always gets stuck in the calendar creation. So once you refresh, you'll get this right here that says Demo Kids Chores or whatever you name it. So now the next thing you want to do is select Create, then select Event. I have already tried to make a calendar or try to make a task with that actual calendar we just made, but it won't work. So now what we want to do is click Create, then select Event. So now I'm going to do more options, and I'm going to put Kids Chores, or I won't name it that obviously, but I'll just put it as Take Out Trash. And if this calendar is for multiple kids, you can put a dash and put, let's say, see, Kid 1. So we'll just name it that. And then just leave everything the same except for this. You might want to set it to say all day so that they don't forget and it doesn't slip their mind or anything like that. It'll always show. You can leave this as free because it's not really anything that's going to take any of your day. It's just there to remind you to do your chores. So yeah, that's all you need to really do, and then select Save, and now it's in your Google Calendar as well as your kids. Now to add your kid to the Google Calendar, here's the thing. You'll hover over the calendar, select the three dots, and then select Settings and Calendar. And then scroll down and click Add People and Groups. When you do that, you'll be able to add your kids' Google accounts, and then they'll be able to view any event that you create on that calendar. You'll also have the option to make your kid see all event details, which was the default, I believe, which is to see all the event details, which I would leave. But one thing I would not do is make changes and manage sharing, as that would let your kids change the actual title of the chores you have set, or even delete the chore you have set. So just for them not to be able to have an excuse, I would make that say see it all event details. That's all I would set it to. Now that's pretty much it. Once you add your kids to this calendar right here, you'll be able to they'll be able to see all the events that you add to the calendar. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope this helped you out. If you need more help, please reply to the thread, and we'll try to help you out more as much as possible. Thank you.